Hello everybody, you are watching series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. I am Anshita and today's success story is about Mrs. Shobha Satish. She is the director of Next Step Institute of Logistics and Aviation.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello Mrs. Satish, welcome to the show. How are
I'm fine, thank you. Hi.
you? Hi. All right, so before we begin the session, could you please tell us a bit about yourself and also your professional responsibilities?
Yes, sure. I'm Shobha Satish. I'm from a Bangalore and I'm proud to be a logistician. I'm having an experience 20 plus years in top shipping lines like P&O Netlight, Maersk, Transworld Group of companies, and done my master in law and started my career in logistics industry with a topmost shipping line P&O Netlight. At present, I'm running a logistics and aviation institute at Bangalore by name Next Step Institute of Logistics and Aviation.
Right. So also, Mrs. Satish, if we talk about how did you actually land to the idea of coming up with something like this? What was the thought behind it?
Yeah, basically logistics industry need a lot of manpower. See, we are lacking in the manpower in logistics, skilled manpower in logistics industry. So
Correct.
what happened when I was working for a topmost liners and was hiring the employees to our company, we used to find lot of skilled manpower to our industry, and they used to come with a lot of ambitions and they used to go off because they were not able to adjust to this industry, logistics industry, young and youth, young freshers. So then what
Correct.
happened? And then one fine day, when having a cup of coffee with my friend, Mr. Paniraj, I had a word. Why can't we start a institute and skill the freshers who is out of the college, who are looking for the job? So then we started this institute, and we started the institute called by Next Step Institute of Logistics and Aviation, and to train and do the give it back to this industry to support the skilled people who can adjust to this industry, because they will be aware how this
Right.
industry will be there. The first platform itself we will give them, we train them and we will give it to the industry. So that's why the
Right.
thought came in, because the manpower was lacking and they never used to stick on to the jobs once they come into this industry. So that's it.
Right.
That's how this idea came in.
Okay,
Yeah.
so when we talk about your journey, how has it been? Has it been a smooth ride, or were there any challenges that you had to face? Could you tell us a bit about that, please?
Of course, anything you start up, you will have a lot of challenges you will be facing, the support and also the things. So in this industry, as we had an experience of 20 plus years experience in this industry, myself and my friend, when we started, we actually encountered two challenges in this mainly. One is the acceptance and awareness. See, most of the people were not aware of what is logistics industry. If till today you go and ask to the young freshers who is searching for the jobs or come out of the college, they tell it is a transportation and delivery. So precisely, yes, what they are telling is right. It is transportation, not only the transportation, it is also to lot of departments, functions are there in logistics industry, lot of opportunities are there which is not aware to the most of the people. So to explain this to these youngsters and to the fresh blood and the college education industry, it took us a lot of time to accept this, to give the awareness to this the society. It took us a lot of time, and we struggled initially to make awareness. This almost 3 years back we started this. It was a lot of struggles we came, and we made it up to here. That in today's scenario, whatever we are talking, these people are unwilling to work and in industry like logistics. So this is just because they're not aware what is the functionalities of logistics industry. And also next is, this is the awareness we made it first. And the next it is coming the acceptance, the society, how this the industry they're accepting, means they wanted all the youngsters all look for to work in MNC culture, of course. So in this logistics industry, they were thinking only that transportation, and they were thinking they will be not having more jobs. And it was a challenge for us to go and make them to understand and to accept this industry have a lot of opportunities. It is also IT oriented industry. Even in MNCs you will get a job, and even you can go and work in the abroad. And it is not only men oriented industry, it is also for the ladies. This industry is also the men. Equally, women are required in this, in shipping and aviation industry, and even in the transport industry, because women can handle lot of jobs at a time, multitasking. She can do a multitasking. So especially to satisfy the customer service, there is a lot of key accounts as the customer service and all required for even for the ladies also. So the equal opportunities are there. We made to awareness. This still it's going on. Still we are off the way, I can tell.
Right. I think y'all are doing a great job. And when we talk about the future of Next Step Institute, what does that look like? Could you tell us a bit about your future plans?
Yes, we have our vision is to flagship company importing logistics skills and extend to footprints in all the tier 1 cities in India. And also to plans to infuse 5,000 plus skilled logisticians to the nation by 2023. Okay, this is our vision and about our company things.
Right. Okay, so let's say someone wants to contact you for the services that you provide. Do you have, can you tell us a bit about your social media presence and other contact details as well?
Yeah, we offer wide range of certificate courses based on their education qualifications. So one can choose the best. Anyone can reach us through the Facebook page at Next Step Institute of Logistics and Aviation, or with our mobile numbers, that is 733831499 or 7259770006. And we are also in Instagram also. Through they can reach us, and also through our websites they can contact us www.nslmgroup.com.
So there's one question that I'm very intrigued to ask. What was your feeling like when you actually won the Indian Achievers Awards? Can you tell us something about that?
Yeah, it's a feeling proud to lift up this award, and I can say it's a need of the hour. It was the need of the hour, and this award has increased our benchmark and brand in excellence in education, and infuse more and more skilled logisticians to the nation. Here I must say thanks to all my stakeholders, logistics fraternities, my family, and my friends and co-founder of this institute, Mr. Paniraj, who is always doing this good jobs to get a better logisticians to the industry.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, so Mrs. Satish, if you could tell us, something about your social contribution. How are you contributing towards the social awareness and, benefits? Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah. See, social awareness, yes, of course. As you all know, the urban people and small towns, they can reach us very easily and all. So our this aim is also to develop the rural youth. We are promoting uplifting the skills of rural youth into logistics industry, conducting a customized training programs for the rural youth development, and to provide with job opportunities, and also infusing more women in logistics industry. As I already told you, there is a requirement of more women into this industry. and which is
Correct.
actually compared to the men, it is a very less are there in this industry. So that we are infusing the more women also into this industry, and we wanted to reach all the rural people to avail our skilled training, because maybe the lack of financial everything. So we are helping for those people with a very very low whatever their requirement of this requirement, where they want to work and which field they want to work in logistics. We are providing that particular training, customized training to that skills, and we are placing them into the logistics industry.
Right. I think that's amazing. Also, before we actually conclude the session, I would love to know from you, Mrs. Satish, that any last message or piece of advice that you would like to give to all the young, entrepreneurs who are watching you right now and, who wish to make it big in the industry someday?
Yeah, to become an entrepreneur is not a big challenge. It's not a rocket science. Anyone can become an entrepreneur, but you showing your ability and sustainability and managing the business is the key factor for anyone to become an entrepreneur. So my message to young minds, to understand the customer needs, design the product, whatever the product it may be, so which is cost effective. You see, end of the day in our India, so they will look after about the cost. It should be cost effective and deliver in time. See, whatever the requirement, it should require it, whatever the time lines are there, it should reach in that time. So it is, then you will be sustained in the market as per the customer requirement. So, and also you should always have dedicated to the towards your work, and transparency, integrity is a basic tool for any successful entrepreneur.
Right. I think you've explained it pretty well. And, thank you again, Mrs. Shobha Satish, for being with us today. You are truly an achiever. And, may you keep inspiring a lot of people out there, including me, with your new milestones every day. So I wish you all the luck for all your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So much.
Thanks.